Well, Leah, it's so good to talk to you and also love your social media accounts. You have a couple of them, and especially girl after my own heart, you've got a lot of neat posts about fashion and especially for fashion and the law. I'd like to know how those two subjects decided to pop up on your social media, law and fashion.
Yeah, so I have always been like from a young age a hardcore girly girl. Like I love dressing up. I love wearing dresses, skirts, putting on makeup. I've just always been a really big girly girl ever since, I was like a toddler.
Mhm.
And so it's just something that I've always been into. I really like fashion. I really like beauty. And I figured, okay, I'm a lawyer. That's what I do for a living, but who wants to follow strictly lawyer like content, like lawyer stuff gets boring. I think we work in a profession where the general public isn't super interested in what we do.
Right.
And so one of my challenges is making my account somewhat interesting to follow. And
Mhm.
so I was like, okay, well, I love fashion, I love beauty, I love makeup, I love clothes, shoes, purses, all of that. So I'm just going to have fun with it and just post sort of like lifestyle posts and then sprinkle in some law here and there. And so I divided up my personal page, which is Crash Gal, and then my law firm page. And so my law firm page is a lot more like legal content. We try and make it as fun as possible. We'll throw in like funny content. And then my personal page is more like lifestyle, fashion, food, traveling, hobbies, my cat, that sort of thing. That
Right.
way people can, see both sides of me. Like, yes, I am a lawyer, that's my full-time job, but this is a lot about who I am. This is my personality. This is what I like. So
Right.
I like showing both sides of myself. I think it makes me more relatable to clients.
Absolutely. And have you found that clients do relate to you more in reality because of your social media?
I do. I feel like a lot of clients come to my office or I'll talk to them on the phone and they're like, I kind of feel like I already know you. It's so weird because I know so much about you and your life and like your hobbies. And I'm like, okay, well, I guess it's cool that even though you felt like you know me, you wanted to hire me for a very serious situation.
Right.
Um, and I think previously people wanted to feel like their lawyer was not relatable. You know what I mean? Like
Right.
the lawyers should be like these very serious, stern, very smart, and argumentative people. And now I feel like the trend, even in politics, we want people who are like cool, who are
Right.
down to earth, who are relatable. So I don't know how effective that is for me and my, marketing. But it's what works for me. That's what I enjoy. I don't want to, come off as this super serious person all the time because that's just not who I am.
Right.
I feel like the younger generation, Gen Z, millennials, they appreciate knowing what kind of lawyer they're going to hire. So
Mhm.
I like that that's my approach. Some people don't agree.
Mhm.
Some people want to, not be relatable. That's
Stay
not my
stuffy.
approach.
They want to stay stuffy.
Yeah, and that works for them.
Right.
Some people don't want to be relatable. They think it, makes them less desirable to hire. I'm not really worried about that. I think that my numbers, my settlement numbers, my work speaks for itself. So I feel free to be myself.
Absolutely. Well, and I think too, it's neat to be able to have a very intimate understanding of social media too, because it's obviously not going anywhere. And it's still,
No.
it's a new frontier of advertising. So, get on board or miss the ship.
Exactly. And I'd rather be at the forefront of all of these trends and new ways of advertising than, trying to hop on later. So
Absolutely.